So tell me, how does the youth exchange work?
So many schools pick specific students from all over the countries to participate in workshops and in methods of informal learning.
So I'm Pedro, I'm from Portugal and I'm 15 years old.
How do you feel about this youth exchange?
I think the topics we aborded, like the healthy habits and sports, are very important for us in these ages, because when you grow old, it's harder for you to change them. So it's very important for us to know them.
Did you improve your skills here?
Oh yeah, I did. In these topics, yeah, I improved my skills, but most importantly, talking to people from other countries, getting to know them, getting to speak in English, which is not my mother tongue, it really helped me knowing myself and improving my
ability to speak. Ability to speak English.
What was the most fun you had on this project?
The most fun we had was when we got challenges from our secret friend. We had to do some challenges such as ice bucket challenge, singing, dancing, and so on.
It's like a punk rock concert.
Why would you recommend participating in youth exchange?
I would recommend it because we had fun, we can travel, we can meet new people, and we can learn something new about other countries and cultures.